Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing my favorite skincare. I have a little bit of headache and I'm kind of tired, so I'm just going to do that part. Like as I'm doing my face routine, I'm going to do it like a voiceover so I can really get into detail probably tomorrow about everything. It's currently 11:13 at night, so that's why I'm probably tired and the lights are bright, so it's probably giving me a headache. Haven't eaten in a few hours. Probably am dehydrated because I haven't drank that much water today, so I'm just sucking at life today. But I hope you really enjoy this because the first step to good makeup is good skin. So definitely take care of your skin. Don't go to bed with your makeup on. Wash your face, do a few masks. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. I'll definitely do more skincare if you want to see more skincare, more reviews, something like that. So definitely let me know. And yeah, here's my favorite skincare routine items.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fucking mask.
Okay, so first we're going to go in with a blackhead extraction tool. Don't watch this if you're like really grossed out easily, but we are going to go in with this. This is how I get out my blackheads, like my deep ones, because if I don't get them out, they actually turn to sores. So this has been helping that. And it's really uncomfortable, but it works, so I'm kind of used to it. But I am going to link one down below that's like for $7. It's like an actual kit. My mom got me this one by itself, but I would love to get a kit. Then we're going to go in with the DERMA Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. This is actually my favorite because of the fact that it controls my oils without stripping the skin of my natural oils. It does protect the skin against micropollutants per DERMA, and those are pretty much cigarette smoke, exhaust fumes, and stuff like that. It is okay for sensitive skin because it has minimal ingredients and it's allergy tested, and also this brand is vegan and cruelty free. This scrub is actually ideal for oily and active skin, and it's okay for sensitive skin if I didn't say that before. And you think, okay, it controls my oils, but it actually hydrates and nourishes my skin as well. So it does everything I need it to do, and it's not too expensive either. So now we're actually going with the DERMA Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. This actually goes with the cleanser. It's in the same line. So I love this stuff because it's a mask. It turns into an extra cleanser. So it definitely comes in handy if you want that extra cleanliness. It exfoliates, declots pores, and absorbs oils as well as hydrates and nourishes. So again, it's everything I needed to do. And it does not strip my skin like the cleanser. It does not strip my skin of the natural oils. And it is vegan and cruelty free as well. The brushes that I'm using are the Sigma skincare brushes. This one is the clay and mud mask one. It's pretty much just a big spatula. It's the SO1 brush, and I'll link all this down below as well, so you can definitely check out this brush line. But I'm just going to put on my problem areas. I'm not going to put on my whole face. And then we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to wet our hands with some water and scrub it into our skin, and then we're going to remove it with lukewarm water. So I find with this mask that it's actually very good at minimizing my pores, and that is what I need because my texture is so bad. And then for a toner, we're going to go in with my Glow Tonic. This is actually a customized one from PIXI. I'm not sure if you can get the 500 ml one, but the 100 ml is like $29. If you haven't tried this, I would definitely try it because it's a light exfoliant. It hydrates and it brightens my skin so well, and it gets rid of my dark marks over time. And I just love it. It's very light, so it's not going to irritate your skin. It doesn't have any alcohol in it, I believe, so it's really, really, really good for sensitive skin. And by the way, I actually use the PIXI Glow Tonic on my elbows to lighten them, so it's been working over time. And you guys are going to kill me for putting this in there, but I love the RODAN and FAVS Active Hydration Serum. It's a little bit, no, it's a lot a bit pricey, but honestly, to keep your oil, like to control oily skin, pretty much your oils think that it's not hydrated enough, so it produces more oil, but it's actually producing too much oil. So you actually want to put the hydration back into your skin so your skin won't produce the excess oil. So I really hydrate overnight, and it's been helping me so much. So definitely try to hydrate your skin. Don't just go in with, oh, I need dry skin, oh, I need dry skin, because that's just going to make your skin oilier. I've been trying out this eye cream. This is the DERMA E Hydrating Eye Cream, and we're going to be applying it with one of the Sigma skincare brushes. This is the S20, which is the eye cream brush. It's so soft and comfortable. It felt so good. But I'm just trying this out. It really did hydrate my under eyes. I woke up with no puffiness, no darkness, so I have trouble with really dry under eyes. And I also put on my scar because the skin right there is similar to what's under my eye. And then this is a little bit pricey too, but it's so good. If you have irritated skin, I really suggest DERMALOGICA's Ultra Calming line. I use the Ultra Calming Mist as well for whenever I get like rashes and stuff. So this is the Calm Water Gel. And for moisturizer, I try to do like water-based moisturizers, not oil-based moisturizers, because I don't want to put excess oil on my skin to make me oily. I want to hydrate it, so I use water-based. And definitely try this out because of the fact that it's like, it feels so good, you guys. And it just works. The brush I'm using the Sigma S15, which is the gel mask, because this is kind of a gel consistency, so I just applied it with this one. They do have a moisturizer brush, but I figured this one would be better because it sits on this brush and doesn't like soak into the brush, so it worked out pretty well. And I have been obsessed with this lip mask. This is a MaMONDE. I don't know how to say this, I'm sorry. Lip sleeping mask, and it's like the best lip mask balm I've ever used. I use it 24/7. Probably get another one so I can take it around with me because I use it as a balm and a mask. It just depends on how much you put on your lips. But for overnight, you want to put a little bit more than you would for a balm, and your lips come up looking all luscious and plump the next morning. And lastly, you guys know how I love my eye patches. These are the Patchology Happy Place eye patches. Never used these before, but we're going to try them out. This is actually like an aromatherapy type of line from them. So this one smells like rose and hibiscus and lotus flower. It smells so good, and it was so relaxing and definitely brightened my under eyes. So guys, that is it from my skincare favorites, and besides the eye cream and the eye patches I'm trying out, those are my skincare essentials. So I hope you took some inspiration to, if you don't already, or if you're not in skincare already, just to take care of your skin a little bit more. And if you're lost about it, hopefully I gave you some inspiration and some information that you can use. And if you have any questions, I'll definitely help you down below. Just leave the comments down below, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
That's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, Percocet.